Okay, hi there. This is Mr. Ahmed Al Qadri again, and we will continue our lesson. Our lesson was about change of states, and right now we will study when does matter change state. So let's do together a small experiment again. As you see here, we have a microwave, and we take water first as example. We use water in solid state ice cube here, and we put it inside the microwave with a temperature minus 100 degrees Celsius, as you see. So, and you see the particles how they are packed together. So right now we add heat right away, the water and solid states melt to water and liquid states. So the ice melts and become water. And as you see here, the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So we conclude that the uh, the solid melt and become water in a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. You can see the particles how they are spread out, and there's a gaps between them. So, and if we add more heat, you can see the water start change to gas, and you can see the particles here, how they are far apart, and the temperature here is 100 degrees Celsius. So we can conclude that water melts at 0 degrees and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, you can see this diagram here, this heating curve for water. So you can see it was solid under negative 25 degrees, under 0, and the melting point of solid is 0. Gain, when it's gain heat, it's gain temperature, that increases, we have increases in temperature. So you can see from 0, it starts melting at 0, it's become solid and liquid together. When it's more than 0, it starts 1, 2, 3, the temperature increases, becomes liquid to 100. So from 0 to 100 it become a liquid. After 100, you can see we have liquid and gas. When I have boiling point right here, so it's on the temperature when I have 100 degrees Celsius, the liquid start boils, and start we have gas, pure gas, after 100 degrees Celsius. So you can see this graph we have here in this experiment. We do it. If we put a graph here, you can see we have the same graph at your book here. Over here you can see the same shape of the graph. Okay guys, what's happened as you remove heat from water? You follow a cooling curve. Okay, this curve is a heating curve for water, but you follow a cooling curve. This curve is the reverse of the heating curve. The water condenses at the same temperature of the boiling point and freezes at the same temperature of melting point. So here the liquid freeze at 0 degrees Celsius. So we call the temperature at which substance freezes, it's a freezing point. So the heating curve and the cooling curve, they are reverse curved. Okay, guys, did you think all the substance like water melting at 0 degrees and boiling at 100 degrees Celsius? This is a very important question, and we will do again the same experiment, but I want to choose iron right now in solid state. As you see in this picture, I have iron in solid state. In microwave, and I will put heat. Okay, you can see right now the iron melts and become a liquid state. You can see the particles are far apart, but you can see this the temperature is 1538, so the melting point of iron is 1538. If I want to put some more heat again on the iron, as example, you can see the iron is salt gas, but at which temperature? At 2861 degrees Celsius. See, this is the graph. So this is the melting point right here for the iron, and here the boiling point for the iron. As you see, this is the heating curve of iron. So this is a very important experiment. So as you see in the table here in your book, so change of states are some common materials. So this is copper, nitrogen, water, table salts, and iron. This is example of melting point and boiling point of each substance.